Alright, y'all. I want to show you guys the ducks are laying. Look at what we got. We got 8 over the last like 4 days. 5 days, 4 days. And here we got pretty good sized chicken egg. Okay, so I wanted to see. That's a pretty good sized chicken egg. It's a double yolker probably. So we're at 92 grams. So that's a big chicken egg because on average you're anywhere's 55, 60 grams, 70 grams these ones. So the whites are getting to be bigger. 64. See the brown. 61. So to give you an idea. 70. 63. Alright, so you get the point. Now here are the smaller duck eggs. 68. 63. So basically your chicken size. 64. Now we're going to get to the bigger one. So I don't know. That's the biggest one. I don't even fit in the tray. Let's see. 104. 93. It's a big one. 101. 97. This last one got to be 103. Woo! 106. That's very exciting. 106, that's my biggest egg yet. These are my 2 biggest eggs. Mine is a little bit of manure on that one, but let's say that these 3 are pretty well the same size. This one's the biggest one. It's a big egg, y'all. Let's compare with the chicken. 65 probably, or 60, yeah, 60. And your duck. And then we can get a bigger chicken. Can't wait to eat them. Cheers, y'all. Hope you're enjoying the weekend.